MushroomSupplies.com review. Is it worth it? So hello everyone. So in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for Mushroom Supplies. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to purchase products right here from Mushroom Supplies. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So we have one right here from John Pacheco. I really don't understand why MushroomSupplies.com has so many bad reviews. I ordered a bag from them and inoculated it with some liquid culture, and less than 10 days later I had 30% mycelium growth. Did my shake and mix, and now it's been 8 days and I'm basically at 90% mycelium coverage. Huge clumps of mycelium everywhere. Just really incredible growth. They always answered my emails within 48 hours. I feel that could improve and respond sooner, only because time is crucial, but I've always received answers to my questions. They sent me a free replacement bag one time and I didn't even pay for the insurance on the bag. A lot of people are complaining about the Mushroom Supplies, but they're a really small company ran by a few employees. I believe they generally just want to help people on their mycology journeys, and I think their grow kit in a bag plus is amazing product and eliminates all that monotone nonsense and save tons of money and time. So $40 for the bag, $20 for the liquid culture, so $60 and about 4 ounces of dried mushrooms after everything is said and done, hoping this mycelium starts pinning. And then we have one right here from Stephen Navel. The bag came in a discreet package and everything is so far so good. So yeah, so that's pretty much for the review from Mushroom Supplies. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to buy products right here from Mushroom Supplies. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.